Hello guys, you're welcome once more again to Mama Exam Prep Up. Today we have a question on calculus and the question says find the y over dx if 3x squared multiplied by y plus x multiplied by y squared is equals to 8. So how are we going to solve this problem? First of all, we have to recognize something. This is a problem on what? Implicit what? Differentiation. So why did we say it's a problem on implicit differentiation? You see that the expression has x and y, okay? It has a combination of x and y. So because it has a combination of x and y, okay, we cannot just differentiate this without applying this principle. So for implicit differentiation, what you are going to do, we are going to what? Differentiate what? We are going to differentiate each term. So that's the idea. In implicit differentiation, you are going to differentiate each term. So it means I'm going to differentiate this. So I have the y over the x of 3x squared y plus I'm going to differentiate this, the y over the x of xy squared. And we are going to differentiate this, so the y over the x of 8. Now further, we can expand this further. Now let's expand it further. To expand this further, I'm going to have, okay, I'm going to keep this, differentiate this. So y will stay. Then we are going to differentiate, okay, our 3x squared. Now plus, we are going to keep this now, 3x squared. I will differentiate what? Y. All right, so that's how to do implicit. You keep this, differentiate this, you keep this, differentiate this. So we've done this for this part. Now we're going to do it here too. So I'm going to keep x, so I have plus x. I'm going to differentiate y squared. Okay, so plus, okay, since we've kept this, differentiate this, now we're going to keep y squared and differentiate what? We're going to differentiate x. Is equals to what? Now, if we differentiate this, we know that it is what? 0. Okay, so that's our step. All right, so from this, we are going to simplify further. We are going to simplify further. Now, simplifying further, we have equals to, okay, this is y. Now, if I differentiate this, this 2 multiplies this 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, so I have 6x. We are going to reduce this by 1. Okay, plus, I have 3x squared. Now, if we differentiate this, it means 1. There's a power 1 here. It comes down, so it's 1. So we have y raised to power what? 1 minus 1. Okay, let me just write it. So we'll see what we're doing. So there's a power here 1. So it's going to be y, 1 multiply y, then 1 minus 1. Now, if we differentiate this, we are still going to keep this. Now, if you observe here, the y over the x is gone. So anytime you are differentiating with respect to x, this will go. But if you are differentiating with respect to y, this will stay. So plus, now for this we have what? X. Now if we differentiate it, this will come down. So I have 2 multiply y, we have 2 minus 1. Now since we are differentiating y again like this, we are going to keep this. So I have what? I have the y over what? The x. Okay. Now plus, I have y squared. Now if we differentiate this, it's going to be what? 1. Okay, which is equals to 0. Now from this point, let's simplify further. So we're going to get, this is what? 6x raised to the power 1. So 6x multiply y. So we have 6x multiply y plus, this is, remember, y raised to the power 0. So all this is 1. So I have a 3x squared. Okay, multiply by what? The y over what? The x. All right. So we have plus, this is 2y raised to the power 1. So I have x multiply what? 2y. So I have my dy over the x. Okay, plus, this time this is y squared is equals to 0. Okay, let's go on. So I have this as what? This will further give us 6xy plus what? 3x squared. I have the y over the x. Okay, plus this time this is what? 2xy multiply what? The y over the x plus what? Y squared is equals to 0. Alright, so from this we can now simplify dy over the x and make it subject of formula. So to simplify it, I can quickly take this to this side. So I have and this to the other side. So we are going to have this left. So we have 3x squared dy over the x plus 2xy dy over the x equals, so if this goes over, we have minus y squared. Okay, it goes over, we're going to have minus y squared. And if this goes over, we have minus 6xy. Alright, so from that, I can see that this is common. So I can factorize this part. So we have dy over the x. So what will be left inside is 3x squared plus 2xy, which will give us, I can simplify this as y into bracket y squared plus 6xy. Because remember, if you expand this, we are going to get minus times this will give us minus y squared, minus times plus 6xy will give us minus 6xy. So from this, I can divide here by 3x squared plus 2xy. So I'm going to do the same here. So 3x squared plus 2xy. So this can cancel out. This is 1, 1. So we're left with the y over the x, which will give us minus y squared plus 6xy divided by what? 3x squared plus 2xy. Now I can further write this as minus. Now I can look, y is common here, so we'll bring out y. So I will have y plus what? 6x divided by what? What's common here is what? X. So if I bring out x, I'll be left with 3x plus what? 2y. So either this or this stands as the answer to this question. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, share it to your friends and your loved ones, and watch out for more problems on calculus. Bye.